All right. Yeah. Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing good. So once again, very good evening. And even though people who are there from the another, who are there at the other part of the world, for you also, a good morning or good afternoon. Yeah. So as usual, let us start the post-market analysis. What all happened in the market and how the market reacted? What were the influencing factors? Okay, so how the market progressed? Which session went good? Which session was in a different direction, like uptrend, downtrend, and even though the sideways. So we'll try to understand. So welcome back to our channel, QML Algo Trade, and so my name is Shashikant. I'm almost having 15.5 years of investment banking experience. And what all happens with the investment banks, and also what sort of what sort of trades they will take, and also by studying the market context and market direction. Okay, so how the market reacts, based on that we'll try to go ahead with the direction. Okay, so that and all we'll try to see it. And very important part is, so these videos and our channel is only for the education purpose, not any investment recommendations or buy sell recommendations. So purely it is for the learning purpose. Please utilize our channel and also subscribe to our channel, and also click on bell icon, and try to get more and more updates from our channel. Yeah, fine. So let's start. So I'm sharing already the screen. So you can notice in our screen, I am sharing the Nifty screen, and today is 11th May. So here in the 11th May, you can notice that what all happened. So at the morning, okay, so the market opened here. Okay, here in the sense, like you can see there is a O symbol. This is the one where exactly the market opened, and it was purely the gap down. Okay, so there can be any sort of news can be there, especially during the weekend and all. Our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, said ki we need to follow certain precautionary measurement to safeguard our economy. So try to go as much as possible for work from home. Okay, so try to consume less petrol, diesel, and even the vegetable oil. And also since in the global side, global market, the crude oil price is also it is hitting beyond $100 per barrel. So that is also one of the concerning factor. And also USA and Iran peace talks, completely it has been rejected by Mr. President Trump as well. So that can be also one of the causing factor where investors they are not looking for investment. So rather than it is like a sell on rise market, right? So even though during our weekend video also, what we have discussed, this is not a pure uptrend, pure downtrend. It is a sideways. Whenever the news is coming, suddenly the market is going down. Whenever the positive news is coming, suddenly the market is doing the uptrend or gap up it is doing. So that's what we have discussed. That is what even though in our weekend and all we have studied, and this particular market profile helps to study all these factors. All right, so news factors we can try to get it even though from our internet and all, and also news channels they will be giving a clear clarity. And also one of the important factor is the direction of the market and context of the market, what actually the investors are looking. That is very important for a long term investors. First is the market direction, right? And traders, so every session matters for them a lot. Okay, for a short term traders, yeah. So it can be 5 minutes, 20 no 15 minutes, even though 30 minutes traders. So based on session to session, so we try to take a trades. Now you can notice what will happen. So gap down happened. If I place a cursor here, I click on here, you can see at the left side the statistics it is showing for the day. If I click on here, you can see the rotation factor is -3. Here the range is you can see the range is 198, IB range is 144, volume is 500 4745k. That means heavy volumes got shorted today. Okay, heavy volumes. And also VAH, POC and VLO. VAH is a value area high, POC point of control, VLO is value area low. Okay, so VAH 23,994. That means 24,000 above the people are not interested. So this is actually Nifty future for the May future it is. Okay, so that means 24,000 whatever the mark is there. So above they are trying, they are not trying to push. The below only they are trying to push. Okay, so that is what VAH it is telling the story. So 24,000 whenever it is trying to come touch. So again you can see the short. Okay, IJ session you can see JKLM, they are trying to short the market down. Okay, the investors and even though the traders they are not looking towards uptrend, but they are looking towards a downtrend. So as our Prime Minister also said on Sunday that certain precautionary measurement to safeguard our economy. So there can be some other some other precautionary steps everyone can take, and even though our economy can be safeguarded, and even though we can try to save a lot of things in the upcoming days. So okay, so some hard days are coming, so there's what precautionary warning it is. So it is everyone's responsibility also. So that's what investors also thought the same. There can be some other some difficulties or challenges might be coming in the near future, so that's the reason. So they are also not looking, market is also sensing all this, so that is the reason it's all in a downtrend. Okay, and everyone, you can see A session happened here, it opened here, went down, B session, C session, and then again D session, E session, F. Okay, so D session tried to come up, E, F, G, H, you can see try to sustain there, but IJ tried to come up. That means whenever 132 2 to 30 and all happens, so global market, even though the European market and all, it will open. So that also, that news also, it's an influence factor every day in the market. Okay, that you already know. So J session it went, and then again J session, K session, and also they try to short as much as possible. Then again KL, okay, so KL completely it got shorted, and at the low of the market got broken in the L session. Then M session also it actually sustained. By looking at here, you can see whenever the market is rising up, okay, so there are some certain sellers are sitting over there and they are trying to push the market down, and it is confirmed from the this one also, the order profile footprint chart also. You can see here my screen, I'm showing here market opened here, did not sustain at these levels, went down, then again it tried to settle at these levels, 23 23 800 levels, 880 and all, you can see. Correct. Then again it tried to went up. So whenever the market fallen, so you can see here there is a slight positive delta here, you can see green color. Okay, so even though if I want, so I can go here and I can try to change all the values, mid ask and also I'll try to change. Okay, so delta and all, so we have all the options here. Now you can see the green color option. Okay, so whenever the market went down, but here a DE session, you can see there is a clearly green delta, green color you can see. So the market shooted up, and till FGH, till I session also you can see the green color, fully green color. That means I session also still the market was sustaining, and JKL again you can see the delta started turning towards negative. Then again L session completely it was red, M session also completely turned into red. Okay, so what we can understand from these kind of scenarios. Okay, so whenever the market is trying to sustain at certain level, there are buy order absorption or even the sell order absorptions happening. Okay, here the sell order absorption happened at the CD level. That is why suddenly the delta started turning towards positive. That we can understand. It is not possible to understand from the candlesticks and all. Okay, same thing, it went, and here you can notice at the JK session, here also buy orders got absorbed. So sell orders actually started flowing a lot. That is the reason sell orders it was tremendously started coming down till the LM session, right? LM session you can see fully it is red. Okay, this and all only we can try to see it from the footprint chart. Same thing with the bank nifty, you can see my screen, I'll try to split the screen. Okay, so market opened here, then try to went with the ABC session, then again DEF try to came up, GHIJK IJ. So up to the J session, JKL and all completely it was shorted. Okay, so this momentary change, what we say, momentary change, what we call, so that is all possible only from the this one, only from the market profile and footprint chart. Okay, you can see my screen. Here also I'm trying to put all the different values, bid ask and all, delta everything. Okay, you can notice maximum delta, minimum delta, all this. Market came here. Okay, it tried to sustain at the certain level, and here at the certain level buy sell order absorption happened at the C level, C sessions. You can clearly notice C session, as soon as it got ended, D session as soon as it started, the buyers started coming here, and then again completely the delta is positive here. Currently you can see my screen till the FGH session completely, and the G session also they tried to sell up a little bit but did not sustain. Still the buyers were actually controlling the market till the I session. Then again IJ, then again K, and also it started shorting, and then again it got ended here till the LM session. Still there are more and more sell orders are present here. Okay, still there are many more sell orders, whatever the untriggered orders what we say in the market. So there are still untriggered orders are there, sell orders might be there. They might have taken tomorrow Nifty expiry happens, so tomorrow also they might have taken the short orders. It might be there. I'm telling it might be there. Okay, so that's why we have to be very cautious. This kind of market, suddenly whenever the market is ABC session went down, suddenly people will try to take see the candlestick chart, and suddenly they take a sell order, or suddenly DEF and all happens, then they have to book a loss. Okay, they have to go with a stop loss, or even though they have to book a loss and they have to come out. Then they keep on telling, no, I did not follow market. Market is that this and also. No, it is not like that. Market is always it goes in a systematic way. Okay, systematic way in the sense, whenever there are more and more buyers, whenever there are more and more sellers, whenever there is a equal buyers and sellers, so all the in all the situation scenarios, market follows certain discipline. Okay, who is the majority and who is a minority, and also you can see from the footprint chart itself, Nifty I'm showing here, who is the majority, majority key players, what we say at the certain price level. So these levels, and also with the volume, what is happening, you can see AB sessions volume is very high and it is coming down, price is coming down with a high volume, and delta is also favoring the market direction. That is what the catch here. And again CD, you can see C session, as soon as it ended, there is again a heavy volume also got placed here. You can see my cursor. Similarly, the price direction is also going up. And at the I session, you can see here again I session also heavy volumes came. But after that, as soon as I session got over, J session suddenly market turning towards a downtrend. You can see my screen. Delta is coming down. So this is very important. Okay, well, whenever the price direction along with the delta and volume are playing a very important role, time along with the price along with the volume. Okay, so that is what the key factor here. Okay, that we have to understand. So we have to study each and every session along with it. This is actually the driving factor for the market. Okay, there is everywhere, even though it can be news based, it can be anything. So we can see the live orders on our trading floor like this. Okay, this is very very important even in an exchange and all. So we follow all the live orders and live momentum and price direction in a certain certain time frame, right? So that is what basically the driving factor for the market, and we have to follow the same. Then whenever we keep moving with the market, then again market will lead us to the success. Okay, that is very very important. Okay, so that we have to focus. So this is it for the day. I hope you have enjoyed the today's video, that is on 11th of the May, post market analysis. So tomorrow also you can plan for the trade. Okay, so what plan? So today's range is here. Okay, so today's range is here means you can see, I'll just unsplit it. So today's whatever the market played, or market whatever open, closed, high, low, whatever happened, it is beyond the or below the yesterday's range. That means on 8th of the May, whatever happened, so that range is already market has been crossed and it went down. In case tomorrow also, in case market goes still down, further down, you can see further down means if in case if the market opens below the today's range, and then again it tries to come towards our today's range, means 11th of the May's range, it tries to push up, and then again short sellers, they take a control, and again it goes down, take a normal sell orders, and keep the this one today's value area low as a stop loss. In case market opens up means today's range above it, if it opens, then again it tries to push down, then again at the today's high, or even though today's value area high, if it tries to touch and again it tries to go up, then take a buy order. Okay, along with the by looking at the market order footprint chart. That is very important. Okay, see the progression of the market with the progression of the session. That is very important. And then again put a keep a very standard and safe stop loss. That is very important. That is like a SOS button, emergency exit. Okay, so emergency exit always should be there. Okay, trader should know this emergency exit, or else damage will happen. Okay, we'll be losing the capital. You should be very very careful about it. All right, so that is why basically, and also third factor, in case if the market opens today's range, it did not break today's high, low, or even anything, then go for a sideways market. So directional traders, you can leave the you can think about your direction. So and also option sellers, and also you can easily plan for the option sellers. You can sell CEP at the same expiry and all. You can make a book of profit. And tomorrow is a Nifty expiry. So Nifty expiry, who is a expiry day traders, and also you can plan for that. Or even though next week Nifty expiry also, you can try to plan. This is it for the day. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have any questions or anything, so I'll be you can email us, and even though we can try to refer our upcoming this one courses also, so you can join our upcoming courses, that is market profile and footprint order chart. There also we are going to see the live market, and in the live market also what we do, how we take a decisions, and in which scenario what we can try to prepare. Okay, that and all we'll discuss. All right, so thank you so much all of you. video. I hope you have enjoyed. And once again, you can try to subscribe to our channel and also click on bell icon. So whenever we upload a new video, you will be getting the updates. Please follow the market. Markets are always supreme. So market whatever it decides, okay, so in which direction, so always it leads. Okay, we just have to follow the market. Always we have to think like a follow the leader. Market is leader, market is supreme. We just have to cope up with the market. We should not fight against the market, just follow the market. That's it. Then we can make a profit and we can sustain in the market and be very successful. Yeah, so by saying this, thank you so much all of you. Take care all of you. We'll catch up in the upcoming video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.